Hey Ron, so just came in to the cart. I did add all of the finishing services, so fold backpack, label print, and size sticker to see if maybe that has something to do with it when you were testing. But going from 100 up to 500, click out, update cart. And by the way, in step 1, the pricing and the calculations work perfectly. So here I went from 500, now we're going to go to 98. And this is actually a two-part video. There's a second thing I noticed. Okay, I did go to 50. I thought I put 98, but it kept 500. Let's try and get to 98. 98, the price did not change, and it should have gone up. And if I go to 75, it went back to 98, which is weird, but the price did change. And now if I'm going to, you know what, I'll make this part in a second video. But yes, going down here, the pricing is not updating correctly.